Hi guys, here at the Lincoln Central Level Crossing in Lincoln with Joe, DB Trains and AB Trains. It's slowing down. I'm going to have a look at the other alarm. There we go, time is 08:45 on Tuesday the 19th of April 2016. This is for our 08:53 to Papa 35 Northern service from Sheffield, expected arrival 08:58. And the pedestrian light is still broken. The pedestrian light's still broken, Adam.
Oh yeah, I saw that last time I came in.
Yeah. The other ones are working now.
Right.
But that alarm was really slow yesterday.
5:45 on Tuesday the 19th of April 2016.
And this is for...
Wait for your... I'll get RTT up. Just a sec.
Duncan's camera is not on.
I know.
It says that.
Time trains.
Do you want me to tell you it and then you repeat what I say? No.
Central. Okay. Right, we wait for your 08, or slightly early, 08:50 to Papa 35 Northern service for Sheffield. So pray.
Yep, it'll be here next train.
The train now approaching platform 5A will terminate here.
That alarm sounded really slow over at Brayford.
Alright.
It sounded like that.
What was it like?
It was like that Barnby level crossing that me and Adam and who else did I go with there? Me, Adam, and oh yeah, you. That was the first time we went out together, wasn't it? We went all the way down the East Coast mainland and we went to that Barnby level crossing and it had a really, really slow alarm. Yeah. Second time you met me. It was the first time you met me as well. No, second time you met me.
No,
Sorry.
the first time I met you was
Second
at
time.
Grantham.
Yeah, here she is. We've got.
On the 18th of September.
142 038. from Sheffield, and
Timer. It's got a timer.
no, it's just I think it's the signals put it up when it's ready, or it goes over a detonator. Up they go.
Yeah, possibly. There it goes. And
Guys, it's next week.